The wildfire disaster in Hawaii is the most severe forest fire in the United States in the past 100 years. As of August 12th, the death toll has reached 89 and is expected to rise. According to Reuters, Governor Josh Green stated that the number of casualties will continue to increase as rescue teams are still searching for victims. The wildfires, which ignited on August 8th, have devastated the resort city of Lahaina in Hawaii, virtually isolating the western part of the island. Emergency management teams estimate a reconstruction cost of $5.5 billion for the tourist city of Lahaina. Over 2,200 structures have been completely destroyed and more than 850 hectares of land have been consumed by the flames. On August 13th, CNN reported that the Hawaii Department of Transportation, DOT, will deploy an airstrip at Kahului Airport to facilitate relief efforts without affecting commercial flights.